So this is how you will create gold farm in Standoff 2. To do so, you might have to log out of your account. But first, let's understand how farming really works. In a nutshell, create a new account, cook some gold over there,
Yeah, boy.
and send back it to the main account. There is this one problem. You see, Standoff 2 has no option for sending gold. So log out of your account, create a new account. Don't forget to add farm in front of your name. In this account, play some games, make some coins, buy some boxes, open those boxes, sell those skins, and make some gold. So once you have enough gold in this new account, by using this trick, you can transfer the gold. Go to the marketplace and find out G22 flock which has the pattern code. Basically what we do is we sell this flock gun in our main account. If you don't have one, buy it from the marketplace. You just need to remember the pattern code of the skin. Now let's log into the new account. Then you have to type that pattern code in the marketplace. Find out the particular skin that you put for the purchase order.